Hey guys, today we'll be checking out these low voltage landscape lights that are here for viewing purposes. They've come with the usual manual with all the steps by steps on how to assemble them up and get them ready. And what I like about these units is that first of all, they come really well protected. They won't come scratched or anything like that. They come with foam and tape, and some pieces even come individually packed so they don't get any scratch over shipping. First, when we open the box, we can find these little boxes that contains the ground stick that we're gonna use to place these pathway LEDs. And I think that they are really nice because they have a little box where we can place our food to gather a little bit more strength to place them in the ground. In this case, this is the set of 4 lamps, and it came with all the 4 stakes and all the different cables that we're gonna need to use them. As you can see, this is how the lamps look. They have this retro aesthetic design that I think that it looks amazing, and it has a Hammond glass design with a old rub finish that I think that it looks amazing. So let's go ahead and start assembling them up and let's see how they look. First, we're gonna go ahead and screw the main units together. It's a roller tube to the lamp, and then we're gonna once again screw the ground stick into the main unit. It even has a notch in the ground stick so that we can pass the cable through, which I think that it's really nice. Once that they are already assembled up, we're gonna gather our low voltage outdoor lighting system and just connect them with this little clip, and that's it. We can connect our system to the energy and they will be able to turn on. Then we're just go ahead and organize the cable where we're gonna install them and place them into the ground with the ground sticks. In this case, we're gonna place them into the door of this outdoor shed, and I think that it will look really nice. These low voltage lights came at a refined look to any space where we install them, albeit our yard, our front porch, however they want to install. This really beautiful LED will add a one touch, and it even has a really long lifespan of up to 5,000 hours. This IPX5 waterproof rated, and that way it can handle year-round outdoor conditions without having to worry about it. They are frost-proof, waterproof, heat-proof, and they are even corrosion resistant. So overall, I see that they are really nice. They look amazing, and I will really recommend them.